Honorable Mr. Justice Raghvendra Babu, Mr. Sumangappa, the Chief Judge, Citizen Court, Mr. D. Jagdishwar Rao, the President of the Bar Association of the Citizen Court, Mr. G. Subramanian, Member Secretary, Telangana State Legal Service Authority, the dignitaries of the bar, the learned teaching staff of the college, Mr. Mahesh Bhagwat, the Commissioner of Police. Pardon me if I cannot pronounce this word correctly, Pachikonda. The learned judicial officers, and of course, the most important person sitting in this august house, the young and dynamic students from different colleges of the city. Ladies and gentlemen, to say the least, it's always a pleasure to address the young and dynamic students, because when an old person like me addresses the young, I address the future of our nation and of our state. I'm certainly grateful to all of you for joining us, because naturally on a Saturday or over a weekend, we would rather have our lazy Sunday morning or Saturday morning. And who wants to come out of the house when your mother may be preparing your most favorite breakfast of the week? And it is certainly a tiresome journey from your home to the college, especially when we are reeling under the RTC strike. Therefore, I am certainly grateful to all of you for joining us, and it's good to see bright smiling faces, much as you may think that some of us, when we speak, we are see the latest films, wear the latest clothes, and it is this that takes us, I would not say into a wrong path, but certainly takes us into a path which I call the slippery slope. It is a path which is riddled with difficulties, not for yourself, but also for others. Many of us tend to blame the life that we are leading. We have certain high expectations of ourselves, of our people. We also realize as the youth that we have to come up to the expectations of our parents, and we realize that perhaps we are not anywhere close to our own expectations of who we should be and what we are. And then we start blaming life itself. And when we grow up with a lot of tension, and there is a lot of tension these days because there's higher level of competition, there's higher level of expectation from all of you, we realize that life has slowly started turning into a burden. And that is when we take to something that even my children tell me, that most of the people in the college think that yes, if I take to alcohol, to substance abuse, perhaps I'll get a relief. And I'm told, although I do not know, I have no personal experience, but I'm told that once you enter that alley called the alley of the substance abuse, initially it does give you a thrill, it does give you a relief, but it's a very temporary relief. It is the same relief that I presume that one you would get from a fragrance. That fragrance and that exuberation lasts you not more than an hour. And unfortunately what happens is that slowly but surely what began as an experiment that becomes our path to our extermination. Therefore what happens is, number one, we start destroying our mind, our body. We end up into a craving thing, and I can assure you, it is something that even I would know, because people of my generation, we are all addicted to something called tea and coffees. Deprive us of our tea and